Okay, students, now we will learn propagation of waves through fiber. This is an optical fiber. The propagation of waves is like that. Like this is a multi-mode step index fiber. This is multi-mode step index fiber. This is your axis of the fiber. This is core. This is cladding. Again, refractive index of core is greater than refractive index of cladding. You know everything why it happens. Wave enters here like that. Wave enters like that. This is angle I, this is angle R. So this is your angle phi. Here total internal reflection happens. This is here. In every step there is total internal reflection. Here. The phi is an angle greater than the critical angle. So, for the case of critical angle, you will say this is core refractive index N1, cladding refractive index N2. N1 mu N2 is sin phi by sin nu. So, mu of N1 by mu of N2 is sin phi by sin 9. We are considering the refracted wave grazes grazes in between the junction of core and cladding. This is the junction between core and cladding. The refractive wave grazes between the junction of core and cladding. So this is phi, this is critical, this is an angle greater than critical angle. This is phi, this is phi, this is phi. So in each step, here the total internal reflection happens, the wave moves here. Here also total internal reflection. Then the waves gets reflected here totally. 100% wave will be reflected without any dispersion and without any refraction. So the optical signal that we send from the source to that we want to send from the source to the destination will travel 100% without any dispersion or loss or without any refraction. It travels 100% throughout the core, without any dispersion, loss or refraction. So it is called, that's why we use the technology or the concept total internal reflection here. Here total internal reflection, here total internal reflection, here total internal reflection. No loss, no dispersion, no refraction happens when the waves travel after total internal reflection through the core. So this is core, this is cladding, this is core, this is cladding. You know the thickness, this is multi-mode step index fiber. The thickness of the cladding is greater than the diameter of the core. So, but the thing is, at a time, multi-number of waves can propagate through the core with total internal reflection from source to receiver. So this is your wave, this is your propagation of wave through fiber, and this is your total internal reflection. This is your propagation of wave through fiber, and this is your total internal reflection of the process. Concept is very simple. The waves the waves incident between the junction, the junction between core and cladding at an angle greater than critical angle, so total internal reflection happens. Every point, then again the wave gets reflected, it falls between the junction of core and cladding, total internal reflection happens. Here also total internal reflections. The total internal reflections happens, total internal reflection happens in every point of time, every point of time. So total internal reflection happens every point of time, every point, here, here, here. When the waves get, after the reflection, total internal reflections, the wave travel opposite to the direction, the wave travel opposite to the direction. In this direction, wave is traveling, now the wave is traveling in this direction, again in this direction, right? In a zigzag mode. This is a zigzag mode, the wave is traveling. Zigzag mode. So, from source to receiver, the wave is traveling in this way. From source to receiver, the wave is traveling in this way. This is the way. From source to receiver, the wave is traveling in this way. This is. So, this is the propagation mode of the waves. The propagation mode of the waves. The waves propagate like that. This is the wave propagation process through the optical step index, multi-mode step index fiber. This is a multi-mode step index fiber. So this is, always remember that core of the refractive index of the core must be greater than the refractive index of the cladding. Although in case of the multi-mode step index fiber, the refractive, the diameter of the thickness of the core cladding is greater than the diameter of the core. You have seen in the previous video, the thickness of cladding was 50 to 200 micrometer. Diameter of the core. This diameter of the core was 50 to 200 micrometer. But the thickness of the cladding was 125 to 400 micrometer. The diameter of the core, this is the diameter thickness of the cladding, and this is the diameter of the core. So this is your optical fiber. Although it happens like that, but refractive index of the core should be greater than must be greater than the refractive index of the cladding. Otherwise, there will be no total internal reflection, because when the waves travel from here to here, it wants to travel from denser medium to lighter medium. As we know, denser medium to lighter medium wave travels. This is your denser medium. This is your lighter medium. The waves propagates like this. This is your I. This is your R. R should be greater than I. R should be greater than I. This is your incidental angle, this is your refractive angle. R should be greater than I, must be greater than I. The wave is traveling from denser medium to lighter medium. So, this is your diagram of. This is the diagram of, this is denser medium to lighter medium. This is your diagram of the wave traveling from denser to lighter medium. So this is refractive angle, this is incidental angle. So the wave is traveling from denser, higher index core to lower index cladding, denser medium to lighter medium. So if this angle is greater than the critical angle, then total internal, if this angle is greater than the critical angle, then total internal reflection happens. Then the total internal reflection happens. then the total internal reflection happens like that. If the incidental angle is greater than critical angle, then only the total internal reflection happens. And it happens when the wave is traveling from denser medium to lighter medium. So here it happens if denser medium is core, lighter medium is cladding, because the mu core is greater than the mu cladding. Refractive index of core is greater than the refractive index of cladding. So this is the process by which the wave propagates or travel through the optical fiber. By which the waves propagate or travel through the optical fiber. This is the way. And always remember, when you are drawing this diagram, you should give the ray direction of the ray. Direction of the ray. Otherwise, in the examination, nobody will understand how the wave is propagating. This is the direction of the wave. You are drawing an optical diagram, so you must read the direction of the wave. This is the direction, this is the direction, this is the direction, and this is the direction. Always you are drawing, if you are drawing any optical diagram, in optical ray propagation diagram, you must read the direction of the propagation of the wave. You must read. Otherwise, your diagram will be wrong. Look, in each cases I have given the direction of the propagation of the wave. Otherwise, the diagram will be wrong. So this is the propagation process of the wave while propagating from source to receiver. In this way, the wave propagates. Whatever I have given only one wave, I have displayed the diagram only for one wave direction, only for one wave with direction. Similar diagram, similar case can be happen, or similar case may happen, or similar case will be happened in the case of multi-mode step index fiber, where multi number of waves are traveling with each step total internal reflection. Like here only one wave. Similarly, other waves are there. Other waves, this. Here also critical angle greater. This incidental angle greater than critical angle. This incidental angle greater than critical angle. Same incident will happen if we consider multi number of waves propagation, or the propagation of multi number of waves through the multimode step index fiber. This is propagation of single wave. Same things will be same concept will be applied the propagation of multi number of waves. So this is your propagation of waves through fiber, optical fiber technology. Okay.